Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today is a Friday. It is Friday 4:40 p.m. 20 to 5 and I already have a order accepted, so I'm going towards a McDonald's in the city center. And this video is actually continuing on from the previous one. It is the same day, and I stopped that video there because I said something happens at 5 p.m. on the Uber Eats that day is quite special. So Uber actually puts online a couple of days before the expected returns or the expected multipliers that are going to be applied onto your earnings. And we know that from that app that this afternoon from 5 until 10 p.m. the multiplier is going to be 1.4x, which is ridiculous. That is really high. So I'm going to make sure I'm out to capitalize on that 1.4x. I'll show you what that means in terms of earnings. Oh yeah. All right. Oh, sorry. Yeah, very good. Thanks. Quite busy.
Yeah, we do that probably. Yeah.
All right. So that was a quick pickup, but there is a problem. I was informed that this order has been cancelled twice by the delivery guy, and the order actually came in at about 4 o'clock, so it's like 50 minutes ago. So the customer is not going to be very happy. Hopefully I'll be able to tell them that it's not my fault that it's late. So yeah, imagine ordering Uber Eats and then waiting an hour for your McDonald's to be delivered. The whole point of it should be that you order it and you have it within like 15 minutes. That is how it should work anyway. But because these riders have cancelled this order so many times, I don't know why. Now this customer's gonna get it quite late, which is not the best. I think I got it.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. He didn't seem too bothered by the fact that he waited an hour to get this food. Well, not quite, but about 50 minutes. That is unacceptable in my opinion. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do now is head back towards the city center, but actually come offline for now, because it is 5 to 5. So 5 minutes from now, I'm gonna be having over here a 1.4x multiplier instead of the current 1.1. So I don't want to accept one now because that's gonna give me 1.1x. I want to wait until it's 1.4 and then go online. Even if that means I am not on an order, it might seem inefficient, but it's actually absolutely not. You have to do this to maximize your earnings. People who are accepting orders now are going to be stuck on that 1.1 for the next 20 minutes. And I will get an order coming in immediately after 5, which is already going to be on 1.4. That's how you do it. So I'm just going to spend this 5 minutes going back towards the center, being offline, and then when it hits 5 o'clock, I'm going to go online immediately. And the earnings have just come in from this previous order, the guy that waited 50 minutes for his food, and we got paid £3.80 for that one, which is not that good. It's not that good at all. It was quite far. It took me quite some time. I mean, £3.80. Yeah, it was the 1.1x multiplier, so that's the reason for it. I'm going to show you how much more we can make when it's 1.4x. And it is 5 o'clock on the dot, so I'm going back online. It is 1.4x that just updated itself, which is amazing. So I'm waiting for orders now, and hopefully I get one very quickly. Would you look at this gridlock? Oh, come on. Oh my god, look at that. What is going on here? Ah, it's just the buses. It's literally this bus boarding is what's keeping everyone up behind. Crazy. Yeah, why don't you stand there? Oh boy. Oh wow, look at all these people waiting for orders. That is crazy. So it might not be busy, Anne. Well, hello there, what's going on? It's not busy?
Don't bother.
Nobody. Yeah, exactly. one, 1.4. Amazing.
Okay.
To McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Yeah, McDonald's.
Yeah.
How come you guys don't have one? Smile for the camera. Oh, nice. Thank you. That one.
I have one.
Wow, very kind. Thank you.
Agora sim.
That's all.
And we can put the rest of the...
Hey. So that was a relatively long wait actually, but no problem. Look, it's the same Royal Mail van. This is featured in my previous videos. Why does it always stop here? Is this, well, he must be it. You guys are on the top of the hill, aren't you?
Yeah.
Well, that was nice. Through the kitchen window, that's efficiency for you right there. Didn't have to wait a second for the customer. Okay, so that was a normal size, medium length, I don't know, short delivery. And we got £6.20 for it. £6.20, and I cycled for 8 minutes. I mean, you gotta admit, that is crazy town. Friday nights, 1.4x. You have to deal with the insane traffic. But once you get used to it, you are making a lot of money just delivering food to people. Amazing. Ha! This is what I'm talking about. Colleague of mine, we were just talking about how much quicker a bicycle is actually than a scooter for short travels, where you don't need to go onto a dual carriage or anything like that, just quick streets. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Yeah, exactly. No penalty for me. Bye. You get a penalty for everything with a license plate. Yeah. That's true. So we don't have an order accepted yet, so we're just gonna park here with everyone else to wait for the order. Well, hello there.
Hi.
What's going on?
One order for you.
No order for me at the moment, no.
I think it closed.
Closed?
Yeah, system.
McDonald's?
Same
Really?
yesterday.
The system crashed again. It does it all the time. So that wasn't true. We're getting a McDonald's order apparently. So that's amazing. It's not closed. We're gonna accept that. I hope you get an order soon as well. Come after us. How are you? Okay?
I'm alright.
Yeah? It's quite busy now, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's good. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye. These are really dangerous underpasses for bicycles. So I need to use the cycle's like ring or bell to let people know that I'm coming in through it. Otherwise they'll end up crashing into you, which is not good. Bye-bye. The earnings for this last delivery just came in and it is £7.12. £7.12. That is amazing. That took me 9 or 10 minutes to cycle, and I waited maybe another 10 minutes for the food from acceptance. So £7 for 20 minutes on 1.4x. I hope you see how absolutely amazing that is. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this hour from 5 till 6, as it is 7 till 6 at the moment. And this hour we managed to make 18 quid, 18 pounds. Compare that to the 1.1x previous video where we made 10 quid in the same time interval. So that's amazing. You can see how you're basically doubling your earnings just because you're now being paid £7, £6 for a single really short delivery. So I hope you enjoyed this one as well. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next one.